Hi friends, Linda here with Life on Summerhill, and I'm so excited to be showing you how to create a tablescape with those cute little dollar store pumpkin craft I did recently. I have a video on that here, and I also have it on the website with more details at lifeonsummerhill.com. So let's get started. After you've placed your table in the woods or wherever you want to put it, put a white sheet or a white tablecloth on top of your table. Next, we're going to add a piece of wood right down the middle of the table. This part is very important because it's going to help elevate our pumpkins, and layers are great for centerpieces. So once you have that piece of wood in place, lay a leaf garland down on your table. This leaf garland is in another video of mine where I teach how to make a garland out of paper. It's such an easy project and it looks super cute as part of your fall decorations. So once you have all that in place, it's time to start putting pumpkins on the table. I started with the largest pumpkin on the left, and then I placed a cake stand on the right and put a medium pumpkin on it. From there, I just placed different sized pumpkins on the table, turning some around so that the other side of the table would get luminary pumpkin faces also. Now here's a shot of all those pumpkins and all the different layers to this beautiful centerpiece that is super easy to make. Next, don't forget to add your batteries, but we're going to light those right before the party. Next, you're going to place platters or chargers on your table. I'm using platters by Cotton Colors. It's a cute polka dot pattern with a ruffled edge, which really just makes this table even more fun. After your chargers are in place, it's time to put your silverware on the table. I used a knife and a spoon on the right, and I used a dinner fork and a dessert fork on the left, because what's a Halloween party without a yummy dessert, right? Now, I brought all of my items out in this picnic basket, and I have a little idea for decorating with it that I'll show you later. So, next step, we need to add our dinner plates and our napkins. I'm using white dinner plates from the Dollar Tree. I love mixing expensive items with cheap items. I feel like it keeps that table looking like you spent a lot of money, but yet it didn't break your bank. So to make these little napkins, I placed a ribbon on the table, and then I put a black paper napkin and then a fork and a spoon on the napkin. I tied a bow around it, and then I pulled the fork and the spoon out. This kept the napkin looking fluffy. So for the next step, you want to add your glasses. I'm using stemless champagne flutes, and I feel like it dresses up the table and makes it more fun. So here's the whole table, and here's what I did with the basket. I put blankets in the basket because it might get chilly, and if it is, then my guests have a little extra to wrap up in case they're cold. So here's the whole table. I hope you've enjoyed watching me decorate it, and I hope you try it out for this Halloween. Okay, so what'd you think? Did you like the tablescape? It was so fun to create. I recommend use your own dishes, silverware. Just use what you've got because this centerpiece is white and it'll go with anything. And don't forget, I have a DIY video on how to make those cute little pumpkins. So I hope you guys have a happy Halloween, and I'm so glad you came to join us here. And don't forget to subscribe and ring the bell so you don't miss out in the future. See you soon.